Hi everyone, welcome to Task 19 reveal stream. I have WWM resident Math, whatever you want to call him, with me today.
Hi everyone.
Cool. So, apparently Shika got a 720 on desk reds. That's impressive. It's obviously from last week, last task.
Yeah, last task they were 27, right?
Oh, what total entries?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it was something like around that. Yeah, we have 30 this task, so doing well.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's another 20.
So I will get rid of that. Cool. So I guess we can just jump straight in. What did you think about the star choices for this task?
The star choices, well, I got a little sneak peek into those, and the main thing I see is last impact, obviously. Did Mushi participate? Yes, he did. Let's see how he did.
We'll have to find out. Cool. So hopefully everyone who participated in all these stars
Uh-huh.
enjoyed them.
Yeah.
But let's get straight into it. So there are only 5 entries for the last impact star. So in 5th place, with a time of 51.70, we have Skulls of Stars.
51.7?
51.7. Take it back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this was. Yeah, no, this one was interesting in terms of trying to get good strats going. Marv.
He took his sweet time.
I'm not sure how many attempts Skulls actually did. I don't think he did that many attempts at the start. I think he just did a few to get a submission in.
Maybe one. Who knows?
Probably only a few. Cool, so that is Skulls run with a 51.70. Cool, so yeah,
Perfect.
the other four are obviously
Way better than
a bit more
this.
optimized than that, but yeah. Cool, so we'll jump straight forward. 4th place, who do we have left? We have Katse, Sigo, Mushi, and Shikit. So in 4th place, with a time of 35.90, we have not that person, because that is the one we just did. This computer is not being very nice to me today. We have Mushi with a time of 35.90. So let's watch Mushi's run.
Mushi wants to leave. He's there.
To be fair, these 4 runs are actually quite nice runs. There's just like a few little time saves here and there that add up.
Uh-huh.
Try not to give too much away. But 35.90.
35.9, okay. I'm writing the times when
Oh,
you
okay, fair
have the
enough.
time.
Yeah. So we are already in the top 3.
That was fast.
I think it's just people don't like Last Impact, and I do get it. It's not my favorite hack, but
Yeah, me
yeah,
neither.
it was definitely it was an interesting star choice though. To be fair, like I don't It's not a star I would choose to do personally, but I think it looks quite cool.
Did Mushi choose it?
It was on a list that Mushy sent me.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I mean, he sent me because I haven't actually played. I've played a bit of Last Impact. I haven't actually played it all the way through, so I don't know many of the stars in the game.
I think I've got until I've stopped at 35 or something. So
Yeah, I think I got like key one and then basically just stopped playing.
yes.
Pretty much was how I got to it.
Huh. Anyway,
Anyway, in third place with a time of 33:06, we have Shikit. So let's watch Shikit's run.
yeah, that means Cancer, you have a chance to be first.
We'll see. You shouldn't put it in the list, Mushy, if you didn't want me to choose it. It was one of the stars I actually like thought could be interesting in terms of route and strats and stuff.
Huh.
That is Shikit's run.
Yeah, second place.
So in second place, there's two people left, Katse and Sigo. So let's see.
I
Second.
would say Sigo is second and Cancer first.
Okay. So in second place, with a time of 31:96, we have Katse. Sorry,
I got it
Katse.
wrong. Obviously.
Sigo tends to do really well when he enters these.
Yes, especially with that green stars. He got 70 coins
Oh yeah,
when Katsu got 65.
Sigo's just very good at green stars.
Yes,
Just very,
that's
very good.
that's a fact.
Sigo giving away times already in chat. That's Katse with the 31:96. Cool, so we know who's won, obviously. It's just a question of how much he's won by.
I would say he's got the 30.
He's got the 30.
I would say mid-high 30 or something.
Cool. Well, you are right. It's 3060 from Sigo. But it's a 940. There's a
One frame.
just use L to levitate. It's fine. Easy. Although I think Katse should get the win just because he's the only person who had a fully visible timer.
That's true. It seems that Last Impact has a problem with the timer.
Yeah, I think it's to do with like I don't know, it's like ASM or something messes up with the timer positions or something. I think. I'm just
Yeah.
talking on my backside. I don't actually really know anything about it, but I'll just pretend I do. Cool. So that was the last Impact star. So now it is time for star number 2. So we have
Star 2 of Yoshi's Adventure 128.
yeah, it is Skeeter Cave Climb. Try and sort out the text on stream. Cool.
Well, I admit that I don't know anything about Yoshi's Adventure series. I admit it.
Yeah, it has some interest. It does have some interesting single stars. When I was having a look through, I thought I'll find one from this hack, and I always end up choosing one from like the first course for some reason. Mainly because that's as far as I can get into a game before I get bored. But
Obviously, yes.
obviously, but yeah. So we had 9 entries in the Yoshi's Adventure 128. So in ninth place with a time of 10.96, if my computer will behave, we have Bell.
Oh, everyone is already sweating.
So Bell goes for the long jump off the roof to get a ledge grab next to the star.
Yeah.
Cool. That there are quite a few different strats in this star, actually, to be fair, so we'll see a few different things being used. So in 8th place, jumping down to a 10.33, we have Majug.
To be honest, I didn't expect Bell to be last.
No, I think it's just a case of like different strats saving time as opposed to because it was a nice run for the strats he used.
Yes, obviously.
Yeah,
But since you're kind of like the trickster, you like stars that we can reach in several strats.
where did that go? Okay, it's back. Sorry, computer's being funny. Cool. Okay, so 7th place, saving 1 frame with a 10.30. We have MXF. Using the same strats, I think, just obviously saving that 1 frame somewhere.
Yeah, probably on the. No, I thought it would be on the wall jump, but maybe I get it wrong.
I don't know. I think it was just a pretty similar run. It just happened to save the frame on
Yeah,
one point.
looking for the missing frame is complicated.
Yeah. Cool. So, in 6th place, with a time of 10.06, we have Shikit. And Shikit uses the same strat as well, doing the wall kicks up here, but gets a lot of thirsties on the way up.
Which obviously is faster.
Yeah. Saving those, what is it, 7 frames.
Yes.
Cool. So we are now in the top 5, and we are now going to be sub 10 seconds. Which, I'm going to be really honest, my time when I was doing attempts at this was like a 10.50 or something like that. So, a lot of these strats are a lot faster than what I thought would be possible.
Okay.
So, in 5th place with a time of 9.80, we have GMD. So GMD goes over here, gets the ledge grab up.
That's interesting.
So it's an interesting way of doing it. It's something I didn't really notice when I was testing the star.
Oh.
Cool. So obviously GMD with the 980. So 4th place jumping all the way down to a 9 flat, we have Sumbro. Sumbro going for the glitchy walkie cut.
I never understood how glitchy wall jump worked.
I've never got one on purpose. I don't understand them. I know you have to like move in towards the corner at some point, but I don't get them at all.
Yes, and Red Matt in Devastated Forest wanted us to go through a glitchy wall kick.
Oh yeah, like the setup from like the sign.
I know that because I had to beta test this, and I found the triple jump wall kick on the sign to avoid that glitchy wall kick.
I think it's cool to have a way of doing a glitchy wall kick with a setup that theoretically should work every time.
Yes.
I think it's a cool thing to have in a ROM hack, but I cannot do them. Oh, speak of the devil, here's Red Matt. Cool. So, top 3. Who do we have left? We have Katsui and Sigo, and then we also have Mario Speed Gamer. So,
Yep.
third place with a time of 8.93, we have the Mario Speed Gamer. I hate text on stream. There we go. Cool. Let's watch MSG's run. So MSG goes for the wall kicks again, but skips the ledge grab.
Again, the showdown between Cats and Seagull.
So, the question is, who's won and who's come second?
I'm not going to answer this one because if I answer Katsu, it will be Seagull, and if I answer Seagull, it will be Katsu. I already know it.
Cool. Well, I will let you out of your misery. In second place, with a time of 8.76, we have Katsei. So Katsei going for the same strats as MSG, just getting a slightly quicker, going for a dive rollout to just get into position for that backflip into the wall kick a bit quicker.
Now for Seagull. Well, you know the time, but I would say 860. 860, yes.
860. Cool. Well, with a time of 8.03
Oh.
is Sigo. And this is I really like this run. I really like this run because it's a cool run, and it's something it's something I did not think of at all.
Okay, that was unexpected.
It's a really cool strat.
That's why bi-weekly are very interesting. The concept that you need to think about everything,
Yeah,
even the slightest detail.
Yeah, because like if this wasn't bi-weekly and, for example, Sumbro posted that glitchy wall kick strat into the Discord, I'd be like, oh, that's probably as quick as it will go.
Yeah.
But then obviously you can save, like, from Sumbro's run, there's an entire second saved for Sigo's run using a different strat.
Huh.
And I think it is really interesting. I think normally when stuff looks impressive, I feel like it's quicker, but it's clearly not. Sometimes,
Yeah.
But yeah. So star 3 is the star wall from SR 5.5.
The 5.5.
Which I only just noticed today. I've actually called it Super Revenge 5.5 in the task announcement. rather than Star
Oh,
Revenge 5.5.
huh. And Fenton participated in that test,
Mm?
and that hadn't happened since, if I remember correctly, the first test.
No, it hasn't.
He hasn't participated since task 1, so
Uh,
welcome.
yeah. Wait, let me check actually because I think. Let's see, Phantom. Wait, so who is in? I'm just gonna check this. The people who've entered. So who's on that? So the last time that. Sorry, who am I looking for again? I have an awful memory. So,
Yeah, I'm also gonna. Yeah, Fenton.
Phantom last entered in task 3, I believe.
3, that might be possible.
Well, technically he entered in task 4, but he was disqualified in that one. But I didn't put it in because that was quite a while ago.
Yeah, it seems you're correct. Since task 3, I
Yeah.
thought it. I thought he only had participated once, and I was wrong.
No, he participated in the first 3 and then
And
sent
then
in.
disappeared without any
Yeah,
trace.
he sent in a submission for star 3 in the 4th task, which was the missing stars, no damage run.
And he had damage.
He took down. He didn't read that it was star 3. He just thought it was a normal star.
Oh.
But anyway, we have 5.5, which is Phantom's game really. So it'll be interesting to see. So 7 entries. In 7th place, with a time of 28.46, we have Majug again.
And the rule, to remind everyone, is the fact that you couldn't use the cannon.
Yeah, so I think the world record with cannon is like a 20.16 or something. It's a 20 point something.
Yeah, 20 something. But I wouldn't be surprised if, without the cannon, it actually would be faster.
Yeah, like sub 20 without the cannon would be cool. But will it happen today? That's the question.
Who knows?
Not giving anything away.
Of
Cool.
course.
So, in 6th place, with a time of 25.13, we have Shikit.
By the way, Mark, the music is coming from Turbo 12.5. If you want to search it.
Honestly, this game in general has some great music. 5.5 is one of my favourite ROM hacks.
Yeah, I agree. This one. Well, obviously they are better hacks with better music, but in general, it comes on the top 5
Yeah,
easily.
cool. So, in 5th place, with a 25 flat, we have Yoshi. Cool. So going for the Goomba bounce as well. I think if I remember correctly, Yoshi gets a lot of firsties here. Yeah. A lot of them.
Yeah.
So that didn't help.
Maybe you should go to Bowser's Quicksand Pit. With...
Yeah, just get what is it? What was it in that video? Like 18 firsties in Bowser's pit to get back up.
It was Synergent.
Yeah, I can't remember how many firsties it was. Synergy was really great at
Um,
this task.
yeah.
Cool. So, fourth place with a time of 24:30. We have Andrew.
Yeah, good job, Andrew. I didn't say good job to everyone else who participated. By the way, are you sure you don't want to participate in task 20?
What tends to happen is if I participate, I just do really bad runs. Like
I wouldn't say so.
I don't know. I'm good at like strat finding, but I'm not very good at actually executing strats. I just sort of pass them off to other people. It's why I do lots of theory tasks and stuff, because it's easier if you can just save state wherever you want.
What's more, you had done the theory test in 70 stars inside in 5.5.
I did, yeah. Theory task. It's more like a theory task with a ton of stuff that you wouldn't ever do RTA because it's just ridiculously stupidly hard. So I mean, sort of theory task, sort of low tad.
Yeah.
But yeah, like if anyone ever does that, like shell skip for Discolored Madness RTA in a run, where you do like the jump up into like the underground, like not what am I talking about? The like jump round the side to get up the ramp is like ridiculously stupidly hard.
Yeah. The
But
autumns. Did you do the autumn skip?
I didn't do autumn skip. I did the other three. I didn't do
Yeah.
autumn skip because I just thought that was a bit too like just on the realm of like if you're doing a 70-star run, at the end of the run you're not going to do autumn skip.
Yeah, summer skip is already on, so.
Yeah. I
And
think the only time you'd really want to go for that is in like a 0-star run, really.
yeah. But anyway,
Anyway, so who do we have left? We have Phantom, Sigo, and Katse. So, and I'm gonna just say now that all their times are within 0.4 seconds of each other.
that's
So
really
they're all
good.
very close, yeah. So, in third place, with a time of 23.66, is Sigo.
Okay, so we know the time of the winner, 23.26.
Yeah. I was about to say no one say anything in chat. Yeah. Patsy, stop ruining stuff. Cool, so that's Sigo in a 23.66. Cool. So, two people left.
Fenton and Carter.
Yeah. Take a wild stab at who you think's second, based on what's being said in chat.
I would say Carter.
Cool. So, in second place, with a time of 23.33, is Phantom.
What did I just say about?
Yeah.
Carter, you will dearly pay for that.
Cool, so 23.33. Cool. So obviously we know first place is now Katsei.
And we know the time,
Yep.
so it's not a mystery anymore.
23.26. Saving 2 frames. Is that really your first untied Katsei? Wow. Crazy. GG.
I don't know if Phantom is here, but if he isn't, I'm gonna tell Yuko to tell him. You know, Yuko, his waifu.
Cool. I love Katsei's videos because they have the best music. Just there. Like, yeah. But yeah, and it makes it easier than trying to balance sounds out. Cool, but
Yeah.
that was Star 3. Thank you for the raid, TB. I didn't even realise you were streaming.
You've come just in time for the 4th star.
Cool. So, star numero 4. Numero 4, whatever. I don't know how to say number in French. Numbre... No, I don't know.
It's numéro.
It is numero. Numero 4.
Numéro 4.
4, yeah. Cool.
So you also have a French lesson from that.
Yay, fun. I did French at GCSE, so I can basically say, like, hello, and I can ask when people's birthdays are, but other than that, I'm sort of screwed. So
That's something.
Yeah. I mean, all you need to know in French, if you're going to France, all you need to learn how to say is to say, Bonjour, parlez-vous français? No? Au revoir. That's all you need to know.
Yeah, that's enough.
That's all you need. Cool. So, reach top of the tower from Stars of the Beast. So, we have... How many entries were there? 9?
9, yes.
9 entries in this star. So...
Oh, Andrew has been in France.
I've been to France once when I was... like 9. And I went to Toys R Us and that was it. That's the only reason I went to France.
I swear there's gonna be someone not starting from Metal Cap entrance. That might be possible, but I don't think someone is
yeah.
dumb enough to do that.
Yeah, in 9th place with a time of 1 minute... No, Cool, so in 8th place...
So it's a tie.
A tie with 286. We have Earthen and GMD. Also, that is where Earthen's run cut off. So that's why it just disappears.
Yeah.
This one was hard to get them to line up because they all fall at different speeds. So it was like just sort of going with what I could get.
Yeah.
So, in 7th place, untied with a 280, we have MXF.
Here we go.
280, alright.
There were quite a few different strats used. Just gonna make sure I haven't missed a run. No, cool, okay.
Also, this is well, I do like Dante's Inferno, but Stars of the Beast in general is not my favorite pack for the reason that it's too linear to play.
Yeah, I do get what you mean. I think I enjoy some parts of Stars of the Beast and other levels but that's my issue with extreme hacks in general nowadays is that for a lot of them it is like the level has one path and you just follow it further and further each time. And the level just gets bigger and bigger. It's a bit like...
Well, if I don't think Kimbo's Revenge 2 has that factor of one path. Well, personally, some levels are, that's a fact. For example, Sweeping Mansions, but I get your point.
Yeah. Cool, so, in 4th place,
Okay.
three-way tie, with a time of 270, we have... Let me sort this out on stream so it can actually be sort of read. Oh, wait. Text is annoying. That's good enough. It's
We
hard.
already can see the names: Sombro, Majug, and Bellring.
Sombro, Majug, and Bellring. Yeah. Cool. Now we get to see my amazing editing skills. Cool, so that was 4th place. 270. So we have 3 people left. We have Shikit, Katse, and Sigo.
Want to roll a die to see who will be first?
Tie, yeah, it's all... Yeah. No, someone's just found a stupid strand, like, clipped through the floor. No, so... In 3rd place, with a time of 2.66, is Shikit.
Here we go!
Cool, so...
And again, third time's the charm. We have the Katse Sigo match.
Do you want to take a random stab at who you think's won?
Do you have a coin?
Let me... Probably. Yep, got one. Yeah, I've got a coin.
Okay, so I'm gonna say heads is Sigo, tails is Katse.
Cool. Cool, heads.
Okay.
So, in 1st place, with a time of 2.63, is Katse and Sigo.
I'm really bad at guessing. That's why I don't gamble.
Yeah. Cool, but they go for a jump kick under rather than doing a wall kick. But yeah, so GG, Katse and Sigo.
And
I think
GG to everyone else.
Yeah, GG to everyone. Some really nice runs this task, actually. Some really interesting strats going on.
Yeah. I think, I guess we could have the same for, well, not the same task, but some of that search in task 20.
I believe this task was... Didn't you get extra points for this task? Wasn't there an extra points thing for like this one, task 20 and 21?
Well, no extra points. The extra points thing. I'm gonna do, as I said, 2 rankings. The first one being without the 10 times thingy.
Oh, okay.
The second one will be with them.
Right.
Because, well, in 2020, the scores will be going back to 0, so...
Yeah. Cool, well, that was the bi-weekly Task 19 reveal. Task 20 will be announced on Monday. Not sure what time yet. I need to work out what's happening with in terms of like who's running it and stuff. But yeah, let's see if anyone is live.
Mm,
I'm not sure. Actually, can I even raid someone? That's a good question. Because I'm not on.
you could host True Bowler.
Is True Bowler alive?
Yes.
Just check there's no other people. Yeah, let's rate BSA. Yeah, I'll do I'll just do finale for Star 4. There we go. BSA. Cool. Okay, let's raid True Baller. If it works, I'm going to type it in chat and see if it does anything. If it doesn't, then fun. Let me just work out what his actual Twitch handle is.
What's the red message?
Oh, that is a good question. Anyone got a good raid message?
Yeah, just decide. I'm not going to type anything.
Yeah, bi-weekly raid poggers. Let's go for bi-weekly raid poggers.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah, that sounds good. GG guys. I mean, Katse only won 2 out of the 4, so it's like. But yeah, let's see if this raid works. Fingers crossed. Yay, cool. Okay,
Yeah.
so we will go with. Are we going with bi-weekly raid poggers?
Yeah.
Let's